on the way to
Hey
Arcadia.
guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Julia Ganda. And for tonight's video, ay yung mga friendship ko, mga makukulit. So this is Anne, Mustafa, say hi to my vlog, and Sandra. So guys, we're on the way to Arcadia. So we just go by metro from South. We just ride on a metro from the Sherry station. Then you need to go down in which station this one? Ras Abu Pontan. And then when you're going down from the escalator, you will find the exit number 3. So here we are guys. I will show you later what's inside the Arcadia.